got the boat out of storage. All winter been sitting there. We didn't really do anything to clean it up. We just kind of threw the cover on it and stored it in my uncle's shop. A lot of that aluminum is pretty tarnished and looking dull. So I got this stuff, BRITE Instant Hull Cleaner. We're gonna give it a whirl and see how it goes. We're just gonna spray it on and leave it, let it kind of do its thing, and then we'll rinse it off at the end after it's all done. It looks a lot more dull in person, kind of that tarnished look on there on that bottom part of the boat. But so we'll maybe take some pictures of it and see if that shows up a little better. But I'm excited to kind of get the boat ready. May 3rd today, fishing in a couple weeks. Get out there in Minnesota, get some bass fishing in, and get some tackle working. All right, let's see how this stuff works. All right, I got some of that stuff just in an old spray bottle here. I got it on stream, a little bit windy out here. So we'll see, try to just kind of shoot it downstream or down the wind and see, try to keep it out of my face. I got a rubber glove on this hand, it might leak a little bit, but all right, let's give it a shot, see how it goes. See that stuff already working. I don't know, I think the wind is just kind of whipping around. That little bit of overspray that I'm getting, it kind of burns a little bit, so I'll kind of be wary of that. You can see the stuff kind of working already. It just kind of runs right off. I don't know if you can see any difference or not, but definitely just kind of cleaning up really good. Those black spots kind of right underneath the middle part, underneath the steering wheel. We'll see, give those a little bit of extra maybe and see if a little extra, couple coats maybe, we'll see if it needs that. Yeah, that front is really shining up. I'll put a link to below Amazon. Find this stuff on Amazon and then give it a shot yourself. So far, man, it's so good. I mean, it's been what, a couple 3 minutes here just spraying it on. Just kind of runs right off. I do have a sponge. Might try to maybe rub it a little bit too. Nothing too aggressive. Just a regular old washing, vehicle sponge. So maybe we'll give that a shot here quick too. So the sponge worked pretty good, kind of get that black kind of film off, but you can still see a little bit underneath, like right in front of the steering wheel there. Needs just a little bit more. I think I'll just keep spraying some coats on it. And you can see the back, how the difference of the back and the front look there. There's kind of what I was working with before. You can hardly tell in the light, but going around to the front, kind of where I've started so far. Looks pretty good though. All right, I'm gonna get this whole boat done and then we'll kind of come back and see how it looks afterwards. Give it the whole once over, and I do have some other stuff too that I might try, some kind of polish. But I think this might just be good enough. So we'll see in a little bit. All right, got the whole boat done. Took about a whole bottle of that. Let's see. This bottle was 32 ounces. I went and took a quick shower because that stuff, the spray was kind of burning. So I quick rinsed off, but holy smokes did that thing do an amazing job. I got this other polish I'm gonna try too. I started with that, but I'm gonna finish with it. It didn't really take anything off. So I'm gonna see, maybe polish it up just a little bit. So I got this polish. There's my beautiful wife. Hi. Hey. This Never Dull. It comes with the applicator inside filled with this, the polish compound on there. So I'll give this a shot. I think overall it just looks good the way it is, but I got this stuff, so I might as well give it a try. But 10 out of 10, this Star BRITE Instant Hull Cleaner, that stuff works amazing. I don't know how many years it's been since I really cleaned the hull of the boat. That aluminum's never looked that good that I can remember. So 100% recommend. Okay, let's give this stuff a shot. All right, check done. Did a little power wash, get the rest of it off. Looks pretty darn good. I tried that other polish. That didn't really do much, but actually kind of made it worse because it kind of made the way it looks now, and the polish just kind of made that go away, and you can see all the lines, water lines and stuff in there. So I actually sprayed it right back on, and it cleaned up what I had polished. So I'm glad, because I'm kind of dumb, and I started right in the middle of the boat. So that would have looked kind of silly with kind of a polished spot right in the middle of the boat, but 100% recommend this stuff right here. Like I said, I'll leave a link below. This boat is 2010, 2011. I don't remember. Bought it brand new. It probably has never looked this good, so pretty dang pleased. Highly recommend this stuff. Get out there, get some fish, enjoy. All right, check back for more videos.